Hi, my name is Thomas Andrews, and in the next moments I will reveal how this primitive and isolated tribe living deep inside the Amazonian rainforest turned out to have the natural solution to restore my high blood pressure and completely improve my cardiovascular health status to a level that I never thought it could be possible. This revolutionary discovery, which shook the foundation of the world's largest medical research institutes, helped me to naturally lower my high blood pressure in less than 2 weeks, dropping my systolic blood pressure by 98 points and my diastolic blood pressure by 65 points, completely changing my life and saving me from a certain death, without using prescription drugs or any other type of high blood pressure medication. Actually, before I got my hands on this easy-to-follow treatment, I was on prescription drugs for more than 10 years and 7 months. I've been through many states of hypertensive crisis. I had suffered 2 mini strokes, and after having the second one, my doctor was extremely worried. He warned me that I'm in danger of having another stroke, which will most likely be fatal to me, or at least would throw me paralyzed into a wheelchair, causing me severe brain damage. However, thanks to this completely 100% natural relief that you're going to discover today, I, together with thousands of innocent people suffering from the same disorder, we can kiss goodbye for life to hypertension. And in just a few minutes from now, you're about to understand why. Even if your doctor advised you to take medication, you need to know a simple fact. You don't need any drugs to control your blood pressure, and you never need it. You'll be angry when you find out that this natural treatment that I'm about to reveal, based on a study made by a well-known research institute in U.S., has been intentionally kept under the hat by the greedy companies in an attempt to fill their pockets with the hard-earned money that we have to spend on blood pressure medication, like ARBs, ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, thiazide diuretics, and many more. While you're watching this presentation, these greedy companies are doing their best to cover up this natural and easy-to-follow method, which costs close to nothing, from the helpless people who are desperate to keep their blood pressure under control. So I advise you to keep on watching this presentation, because sooner or later they will take it down and you won't find it here anymore. And trust me, what you're about to discover is something that you can't find anywhere else, something that you'll not want to miss. Picture this, yourself saying goodbye to all those doctor visits for endless blood pressure tests and succeeding to take away forever those uncomfortable symptoms like breathing difficulties, blood in urine, chest burns, fatigue, irregular heartbeat, and more others. Imagine yourself no more than 2 weeks from now being high blood pressure free, without having any discomfort and fear, without having to feel worried again about the high blood pressure direct effects that are threatening your life. Heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, a possible brain damage, and many other direct effects that can make your life a torment in a matter of seconds. This revolutionary method will help you lower your blood pressure in less than 14 days. And it doesn't matter if you had hypertension for a week, a month, or 15 years. You're in the middle 40s, or you're an old veteran having 85 to 90 years old. And it will also have a positive effect on your life. The same effect it had on mine and on thousands of other people's lives. People who were able to safely and easily lower their blood pressure in a matter of days. You'll be pleasantly surprised to see how fast you'll get the results and how easy you can introduce this method into your lifestyle. Doesn't matter if you are suffering from a mild or chronic hypertension, it will still have good results on you. You could be receiving the first results in a few hours from now. What's best is that this extremely easy method can be practiced from the comfort of your home. Most likely you're feeling a little skeptical right now, and if you do, then I perfectly understand you, because I was in your shoes. I know that everything I'm telling you right now, it's exactly the opposite of what your doctor told you so far. As a matter of fact, if I was to watch this video presentation just a few months ago, before I experienced this amazing treatment that completely changed my life, I would have been completely skeptical too. Honestly, I would be more than sure that nothing is true, because together with millions of American patriots, we have been brainwashed to believe that the only solution to our blood pressure problem is to take drug after drug, until we end up realizing that we are dealing with side effects more dangerous than the disorder itself.